Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, November 6th. Passengers aboard the Norwegian Epic have been warned about a possible exposure to Legionnaires disease. NCL has issued alerts to current and recent guests after learning 2 former passengers were diagnosed with the illness. It's unclear if the ship was the source. However, the cruise line is working with the CDC, and guests are urged to watch for symptoms like fever, cough, or shortness of breath. Anyone who feels sick is advised to contact their doctor. If you are on an impacted sailing, you will hear directly from NCL. A similar alert was issued recently on a Royal Caribbean ship as well. And Norwegian Cruise Line has brought back its Free at Sea package, replacing the More at Sea that was introduced last year. The updated bundle includes a fixed drink gratuity cost, 150 minutes of Wi-Fi per cabin, and specialty dining based on the cruise length, regardless of what cabin you book. However, the $50 shore excursion credit from the previous offer is no longer included. Free at Sea is now available on all new bookings with NCL. And if you're cruising from Port Everglades tomorrow, listen up. Fort Lauderdale is expecting a busy cruise day on Friday as 7 ships are expected to dock. Cruise guests are advised to allow extra time and use one of the 3 designated port entrances to avoid delays. The lineup includes ships from Royal Caribbean, Princess, Celebrity, and Holland America. The port is also preparing to welcome 3 new home porting vessels this month, including Celebrity Excel, Star Princess, and Disney Destiny. And cruise stocks were mixed on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 3%, 26.90. Royal Caribbean down slightly, 256.63. Norwegian down 1%, 18.61. And Viking up slightly, 57.18. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. In this week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Virgin Voyages' Valiant Lady, where you listen to your favorite podcast. Here in Port Everglades, about to board Star Princess for the christening. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Thursday.